Which one?
This build.
What, the summoner?
He has like full level 10s.
Yeah. Also like the Lara Salvation for this one and everything. Dude, this random AoEs, dude, always spawns randomly. It's such a shit like a design. I don't get it, man. Like, why do they design it like this? Like, come on. God damn it, get him right now. Watch a lot of YouTube videos. I see. Well, hope you have fun with it, Miro, man, at least. Okay, colors green, colors green. Okay, this is my normal raiding group, yeah. My standard raiding group right here. So, yep. Okay, color. Okay, Scouter Tiger is good as demonic. I think it could be bait. I guess like it would say like yeah, I guess. But I mean like Scouter Tiger is more on like the human form. Oh my god, the back attack. It's more like on the human form. Like outside of human form, it's less so. In. Okay, check your stagger skill. Should be stagger here. Okay. Pop. Talisman out already. Grenade.
Let's go. Nice job.
There we go. Yeah, I feel like that stagger right here, they're either gonna like make like the duration like much faster for it to like a thing. Nice.
Nice job.
They're either gonna make like the duration like easier or like the stagger value being lower. Yeah, do I keep people if they are bad? Well, it depends. Depends on how bad they are, you know. Are they bad beyond like beyond salvage, or like are they still okay? It's more like the question.
Yeah, let's see. Oh.
Surely not.
Still got hit.
110,
110 bar. Okay, green color, green.
Any greens?
Sorry, Styra is already.
Nice.
Okay, color. Green. Up. Huh, is there a green that is like not here maybe? I'm thinking actually. There is a black right here that is like empty. Who is it?
Green's down at 6 o'clock.
Okay, I get it.
Nice.
Okay. Huh, RNG pattern like Vicus. Hi, yeah. 3 fails kick. Well, this is not NA, so yeah, it's different, you know. It's different. But yeah, it depends. Borpa spin.
Anyone gonna die? Let's watch. Let's see. Rick just saving the other one.
Okay, 99 right now. Alright, let's go. Okay, let's go. Yeah, Borpa spin. What happens if you kill black orbs or not dealing any damage on them? It depends on your assigned color. If you kill the wrong color like multiple times, you die basically. That was it. You die. Up. Up.
Which is a safe spot.
Okay, here we go. I trigger this, I run away first. Okay. I think the Virtus head like should kill like all of those, because that thing like paralyzes you for like 10 seconds right there.
Dude, all of us are alive.
Uh-huh.
No.
Huh?
Okay,
No. I said no already and like 15 bar.
Oh shit, but we didn't really bring flame bombs or anything.
Flame bombs.
Really good run, though. I don't
Well,
know.
just do all your AoE skill basically.
Yeah, I'll just toss it if underneath.
Just toss like, you know, AoEs that like to prevent that
Yeah,
basically.
just stack at like 6.
Okay, stack at 6 maybe, yeah.
Never either.
Up. What? How does that still hit me? Dude, I'm behind him. What the fuck, dude? Such a shit thing right there. Ah, nice counter. I was about to go back into the thing again. God damn it, man. COVID boss. COVID boss. Borpa spin, Borpa spin.
It's Borpa, it's Borpa.
Borpa spin. That's the name of this mechanic now. We decide, Twitch chat decide, this the name of this like mechanic is Borpa spin. Borpa spin. 75 bar. Get outside, get outside. Don't break the very spear. Okay, where is it? It's down south, down south. Oh, be careful. Almost step on it.
Marlon's tanking all the minions. Omega.
Oh fuck.
Go, 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 go. Yeah, nice. Okay. Okay, the part is like just cover to not die. I don't know which battle right there. Which battle you're referring to. Okay, 60 bar, 60 bar. In. Okay, they get inside at last moment. Oh, those paddle. You mean like the one? The paddle roots you so you don't get hit by like the last like by the last thing. By the last like AoE basically. Get it. Free counter, and my poison like kills my transformation. 50 bar right here, 50 bar. Oh shit, forgot about that one. Yeah, stagger first, stagger. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Nah, I was knocked down. I was knocked down, so I couldn't. So I wasn't there anywhere near to counter. So.
Borpa.
Yeah, Borpa.
Oh, is the summoner gonna get killed again?
Unstop it.
Just stop it.
Fuck. I'm gonna time stop it.
Nate one. Thank you for the follow, guys. By the way, there's a lot of follows right here. I couldn't follow it right here in the middle, but yeah, thank you for the follow. Welcome. This is like a delicious poison. Never mind. Debated is the back kick.
Backstab.
Yeah, it's whenever like it's not there. Whenever no kebab.
Just get hit, guys. I get hit.
Well, if you get hit, you get like a drown right away. Not this random AoE again.
Is this counter? It's counter.
Nice counter. Okay. Soon probably.
Kill the mobs.
Yep, I'm just cleaving it. Okay, 15 bar, in is safe, in first. Okay, everyone stays out,
Okay, I'll throw a gear on us.
So no.
No. I'll have like my drone attack like on the right side. Oh my god.
I'm gonna die.
There's so many AoEs, I didn't realize how much AoE there is, dude.
Are you summoning Nana or no?
Nah, too late. Go. Just go. Focus. The shield. I think like if, is it safe to assume that? Okay, break the shield. So I'm not sure, like, cause like the health is gonna. I think we have to break the shield, but we don't have to do the thing, yeah. So I guess like break the shield, as you get stuck as you're close by, and then like you go out basically after that. Okay, break shield now. Should be last shield, I think. Like I think it's 5 bells or something like that.
These AoEs are so annoying.
Yep.
Okay, that's it. Should be it. No,
Is that it?
Or not, I guess. No. Okay, no, there is the last one, yeah.
Straight Tyrant?
No. Wait for him to do something first. Then just.
Maybe like the counter mechanic or something, yeah. Well, I'll just make sure like Tyrant hits basically.
Yeah.
Is he gonna jump?
Oh my god, the slow again here. The slow is killing my raid captain.
Oh shit.
Oh, if you don't get hit by the triangle, please, honestly, in front of him.
Yeah, that's so easy to dodge after.
Shit. Come on, dude.
Uh,
Okay, there we go. I need to use Tyrant as well. Wait, it's going up right now. This is random AoE into the counter. Make sure you counter all Tyrant it basically. It's bottom left. I couldn't Tyrant. Why does it have to spawn on me, dude? This is fucking bullshit, actually, honestly. I can't. Nah, I'm gonna drown here. I'm dead. Yeah. Dream, you're back on lead. You can Tyrant at any time. Fuck, dude. Why does it have to be spawning on me? Why does it have to be on the bottom left? As I was on the bottom left. Fuck, dude.
wait, oh nice.
Yes.
He got shield. Fuck.
Break.
Got him.
Okay, 10 bar, 9 bar on like a 40 bar. 40 second. So he might still make it right now. Okay, fucking hell, man. Why does it have to be that one? It's okay, 4 bar. I think you guys got it, probably. Okay, focus. Borpa spin. Man, dude, the moment we enter like this phase, I got knocked down 3 times right away. Okay, there we go. Okay, we get it. God damn it. Box. The box first.
Yeah. Who was saying highest damage?